All right, we are back for another day, and this is Field Goals. It's another market research company that you can participate and make money. Just to get to the point here, I've actually received $100 from them through Tremendous for participating in their IRS research. And what the IRS research was about, I just wanted to kind of know how I file my taxes, what works for me in TurboTax, what doesn't work for me, just basic questions. It was an hour, and I got paid $100. So this was the proof of the email from them that I've actually got paid, and I could just redeem my $100, which I already did. I'm not going to do that again. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can get paid from these market research companies. I do them all the time, and they are not a scam. They will pay you, but it just all depends on how hard you work. Like I say, you're not gonna get partic- you're not gonna be able to participate in every focus group. So I just want to remind you of that, because a lot of people have a misconception. Like if I apply to 15 different companies, I'm gonna get selected for one of them. You may get selected, and you may not get selected for them. And I talk about this all the time on my channel. It's not abnormal for you to not get selected for many of them. I mean, you can apply to all of them at once and see, but there's a chance that you could get selected. You have to keep applying every month, every day, every week, every year. Don't stop until you get one. That's how I'm able to get into these ones. I'm always honest and I'm transparent with them. So if you lie and you try to cheat your way to the top, you're not gonna get selected, and they might actually throw you out of the focus group if your information don't match with what you said on the pre-screener. And you definitely want to match your information want to match when you take the phone call from the recruiter that's going to recruit you for the project. If it doesn't match what they're saying, then you're not going to get selected. But just wanted to kind of show you guys that it is, like I said, it is legitimate. Um, I do these every week, so it's important that you keep following up, keep doing this, and you can be able to win $100. You could be able to get $100, but I'm not gonna hold you guys too much longer. I just want to wish you guys happy holidays. Christmas is coming up in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. There might be another cash giveaway at the end of the month if I'm lucky. If you're lucky, it just all depends on how I'm feeling. But other than that, take care, money, money, yours. Bye.